presentation. Kani ako ninyo nga slides. Ang sunod ani na kong ihatag ninyo nga presentation dili na nako ihatag sa to. Kay kuan man siya or information assurance or IA is a practice of assuring information and managing risk related to the use of processing, storage, and transmission of information or data and the systems and the processes used for these purposes. So kanina siya is practice of assuring. So i-assure na to ng information. Another is managing the risk related in terms of using, in terms of processing and storage and transmission of information or data. Another is in the system processes. No? So the information assurance include protection of integrity. So, nani siya integrity. Kay information assurance man dapat naa kay integrity, availability, authenticity, non-repudiation, confidentiality of users' data. So kani naa ni siya involved ni sila kaning upat dira in terms of information assurance. Okay. So, ang information assurance, it uses physical, technical, and administrative control to accomplish this task. So, in short, ang IA is a field in which you have to grow or practice, no? Kanidiri, you have to practice an information security. So magbuhat ta and ato ang i-practice the security or how to secure our information. But mingon ka nga, ma'am, ang pag-secure nato sa information is totally 100%. As I've said, dili siya 100%. At least, ato siyang ma-secured na alantay control. No? If you are in the administrative, una mo sa administration, in terms of administration sa network, ingon ana, you are in a technical or physical, make sure na we have the control, no? To accomplish sa ato ang security sa information. Another is information assurance is the process of adding business benefits through the use of IRM or information risk management, no? Which increases the utility of information to authorized user and reduces the utility of information to those unauthorized. So, kani di either siya, si IRM or si information assurance. This is related in the field of information security in terms of business. Para naakay continuity sa imuhang business, no? Para makuan na to ba, mabutangan na to og protection ang ato ang business diri. So appeal gyapon mo na nga naakay information risk management. So in terms of sa imuhang business, kay when you talk of business, kanang system na business, apang business na dagko naman na siya. So atong i-manage in terms of ang pag-access sa information, the authorized and non-authorized. Okay. Another is defending against a malicious hacker and code. So example ka ng mga viruses, no? So si IA, practitioners consider corporate governance issues such as privacy, regulatory, and standards compliance, auditing, business continuity, disaster recovery, as they are related to information system. So, therefore, si IA is the best practice, the best taught in terms of information security. Okay, so ang information security or information assurance also kung adto ka sa government, parehas ra jud na sila og mga pangalan, no? Ang government mohatag ra gyud na siya og mga pangalan nga same ra. Information assurance same ra sad gyud na siya nga maingon security of an information system, no? Same ra na mag government ka company or ma private company, same ra jud na ang ilahang pangalan. Information assurance is parehas ra jud na siya. Okay. So, ang information assurance process, so, unsaon siya, no, in terms of process. Okay. Wait for a while sa kadali. Information assurance process, the information assurance, the information assurance process typically begins with enumeration and classification of the information asset to be protected. Now, another is the IA practitioner will perform a risk assessment of this asset. No? So, unsaon man niya kay naghisgot man ta diri og asset unsaon to pag-protect. So si IA practitioner mag-perform siya og risk assessment for this for the asset katong atong gihisgutan. So kani siya nga assessment nga atong giistoryahan, we considered both probability and the impact of that threat, no? Exploiting vulnerability in an asset with impact usually measured in terms of cost of the asset, no? So naa na siya. Yan i-considered nga mag-provide siya sa unsaon niya pag prevent, no, considered in the assessment of sa threat nga mahitabo sa imuhang asset in terms of cost kay ang mga kanang maghisgot ta og cost dako man jud na siya to prevent. So next is after ana nga iyahang i-assess ang performance times sa okay. After ana, the IA practitioner then develop a risk management plan. So, mo develop dayon siya human niya og assess nga sa asset nato pag unsa iyang assessment to perform the risk on the asset, magbuhat dayon siya or develop on the management plan. So this plan is a countermeasure that involves mitigating or eliminating or accepting, no, of transferring the risk and considered as prevention and detection of the response of the threat. So kani imong giplan dere pagbuhat nimo mag-develop man kag plan, dapat, no, imo nang tan-awon nga maka-eliminate, no, di man ta kaingon nga wagtang jud, but maka-eliminate lang ay sa so eliminate, another is maka-prevent and maka-detect na siya in response to the threat nga ato ang madawat, no? So naabaroy virus, naabaroy muhak diha, naa ka dinhay plano unsaon nimo siya diha pag-response. Then ang pag-countermeasure nimo dinha is imo na siyang includean og mga technical tools, no? So namka na siya mga countermeasure kay na magplan man ka, so you have to include mga technical tools. Unsa may mga technical tools nga atong buhaton in terms of information, in terms of software, in terms of computer. So ang first, mogamit ta og firewalls, mga antivirus software, no? mga policies and procedures nga involve sa control in the backup and configuration sa imuhang system. Another is involve gyapon diha ang employee training in terms of security awareness. Another is not only the employee but also includes the organization. Kinsay or organization or kinsay mga naa diha as management nga nag-organize katong mga organizing personnel na nga involved in detecting sa computer in terms of emergency or in terms of emergency response. So in short, katong mga tao nga nabilong sa Computer Emergency Response Team or what we call CART or CERT, di ba? So sa ato abitaw rong COVID, natay mga risk management team na sila'y mga pangalan. So ang sa computer sad, kung ang computer nasa virus, nasa na sila'y mga pangalan dito. Ang pangalan anang mga tao dira nga nag-involve man ha is mo na silang si CERT, Computer Emergency Response Team, or ang uban mo term og lain which is Computer Security Incident Response Team or CSIRT, no? So mauna sila ang na-involve diha in terms of planning. So after sa planning, na-apply na nimo tanan mga unsay protection and prevention, detection diha, ari dayon ka sa testing and evaluated. No? So, as I've said, after the risk management plan, ang plan nimo nga dire kaning management plan during the PITA is you have to implement, na? So in the implementation, it will include testing, evaluation, no? So ang pangalan ana and ang formal names gyud ana usually terms na nila og formal audit. Mao na siya. Mingon testing and evaluation then that is the audit. Audit which is the formal audit. So the IA process and interactive risk management assessment and risk management plan. No? In order that ma-revise or ma-improve to ang katong sa unang mga gipangbuhat in terms of gathering of data, no? So, mao na ilahang buhaton diha. Mo-gathered sila data para ma-improve ang security. Ang present security sa business, ma-improve na. So, during the PITA, kani nga last, test and evaluated dire sa formal audit, nga rin sila mag-gathered og mga data. No? So, ang assessment and a risk management, anhi dinhi na to makita. So, kaning duha diri sa babaw for perform risk management or perform risk assessment and develop risk management plan. Diri dapita i-apply which is the formal audit. In the formal audit, diha dapita makagather tag information. What would be mahitabo or ato ang unsay na-detect or unsaon na to pag-prevent ang ato ang na-detect nga mga threats sa ato ang system. Ay, sorry. Okay. So, sunod, ani ko diri mangutana. What is the difference about computer security, network security, and internet security? Okay? Ha? So, daghan man jud kay ni. Nagsige naman yung taghisgot og computer security, no? Network security, internet security. Unsa man gyud diferensya? Or og dili lang pasabta lang ko. Be, kaya ang ako bautan na ngadto, what is the difference basin dili mo ka compare? Sige, tagai lang ko. Na? I will call you one by one or unsa. Taga-ilan ko og what is computer security, network security, and internet security. Kana lang sa mo'y ato ang i-identify. After that, sunod na sad to unsay diferensya or what is the difference among computer security, network security, and internet security. Okay. Sige. Ato ning tawagon. Okay. Up. How about ge? So, apparently, Roseanne. Roseanne, what is computer security? Og dili ka tingog, i-chat. Kay naay chat box. Okay. Si Roseanne na? Apparently, Roseanne? Wala. Walay mo mine? Wala, Jod. Kay mo next na ko. Ay, kumusta naman ni ay? Wala may naningog. Naba na minaw? Okay, nabay na minaw? Na ni-raise og hand. Saan to ni-raise og hand ay? Check na ko ba? Mo makita. Okay. O, ako roman di ito ay, yes, Francis. Dong. Ni-raise
Yes,
kag hand.
yes, ma'am.
Ah, sige. Unsa man?
Kung ano, the difference between computer security and network security, kay in cybersecurity, it is the practice of protecting internet-connected systems and
Mm,
networks from digital attacks.
mm,
Then, ang
oo
network
na.
security
Mm,
is a subset of cybersecurity which protects the integrity of your network and
mm.
network accessible resources from unauthorized access.
Oh, dayon. Ang internet security.
Oh, napa the internet security. Dili network, ma'am.
Na ay network na computer security, network, and internet security.
Oo nga.
Search sa diha. Kay search na kadaan ay. Ah, sige, tanaw na to. Bitaw kung ato gyud siyang tan-awon ba, when we analyze is computer security in terms of computer security, then sunod network security and internet security. So kana siya. Yeah, wa man ni maningog oy. Raise your hand.
Mm.
Sige. Si Francis naman to. How about the other? Be, mangita pa ko lain be. Kinsa pa'y maka-answer about the questions na ato
Ma'am,
ang
lahi din ang network, ma'am.
agi, parehas na lang anak ko nimo. Sige. Og mao na, di ayaw laglib ga. Og mao na siya parents